Everyone, today we're going to cover the Project Billing Analysis dashboard. This dashboard is really meant to be a tool to give the project manager insight into how his billings are progressing on a job and also getting some insight into how past billings are being processed in terms of payment details and other relevant information. So when you open the Project Billing dashboard, what you can see is once you select a project, the first thing it will tell you is whether you've billed this project this month or not. It will give you a red icon if you haven't, or a green icon if you have. And then right beneath that is some basic project level information. Who's the customer, the project manager, and the project state. Then as you move over to the right, you're going to have some top level summary information related to the project financials. So what's your contract amount, your bill to date value, your budget, your earned revenue, your job cost, and your over under billing so far on the project. Your over under billing will be highlighted green if it's overbilled, and it will be highlighted red if it's underbilled. You'll then see in the top right corner, you have a metric telling you how much you or what percent billed you are on the project. So I can quickly see I am 67.34% billed. Down below that will be the cost that you have so far this month. So this project, you can see I don't have any costs yet this month. So it's telling me that I should produce a $0 billing. But if you have costs in the month, it will aggregate a monthly earned revenue value and populate that right here to make sure that your project managers are always billing the minimum amount in a project or in a month to make sure they're not generating a net underbilling. As we move down the dashboard, we'll start to see some more information in terms of the cash received you have received on that project. So I can see on this project, I have almost $1.8 million in cash received. So that's against a 2.6 million billed, which means I have 858,000 still outstanding. I can then see what is the average days it takes the customer to pay me. So I can see on average, I'm being paid within 58 days on this project. If I want to see the details related to that, I can click on this here and it's going to open up a window that shows me not only the information on the invoices I have been paid for, but also my outstanding invoices. So I can see I've got one invoice that I billed for in May. That's 33 days outstanding. That's somewhat reasonable. And then another invoice that has been outstanding since April 18th. So 65 days outstanding. That's even beyond my 58 days that I typically get paid in. And then down below, you can see your monthly billings month over month. It will highlight it green if you've been paid for that amount. So you can kind of see I've been paid for February, but I still got a little bit outstanding in my retention. And then I haven't been paid yet for April or May. And then down at the very bottom is a timeline view that basically tells you how have your billed amount, so that's going to be in blue, compared to the cash received, green, and the job to date cost you have on the project. That's going to be your black line here. And it's always good practice that you want to see your job to date cash received stay above that black line. So this is a great just visual indicator to let you know whether you're staying ahead enough on your billings to make sure you're staying cash flow positive on the project. And that's a quick overview of the Project Billing dashboard. Thanks.